How to Be a Beautiful Black Teenage Girl Ultimate Glow Up Guide for Black Girl in 2025. Beauty isn't just about what's on the outside, it's about radiating self love, confidence, and pride in who you are. As a Black teenage girl, your beauty is bold, timeless, and powerful. It's in your rich skin tones, your unique hair textures, your creativity, and your resilience. Being beautiful means embracing your individuality, loving yourself unapologetically, and finding strength in your heritage. It's about shining brightly in your authenticity and knowing your worth. Together, let's explore the ways to celebrate your beauty, inside and out, because being you is more than enough. This video is divided into 4 parts: hair care, skincare and makeup, navigating blackness, keeping a beautiful attitude. First, hair care. Try embracing your natural hair. This can connect you to your heritage and show off your natural, unique beauty. It takes a lot of work to keep natural hair happy at first, but it gets easier with practice. Protect your hair at night. Try a silk or satin scarf, bonnet, or pillowcase. This protects your hair from breakage and can also be a cue to relax after a long day. If you want to wrap your hair but have no one to teach you, you can learn online. Wash your scarf, bonnet, or pillowcase at least once a week to keep it clean. You can rotate between a few options. Don't wrap your hair too tight. Oil your hair using natural sprays, creams, and moisturizer. When washing, it's best to use 2 layers of conditioner that is designed for black hair, as it is manufactured to lock in moisture more than products aimed at other hair types. Don't use hair grease, though, as the chemicals in it aren't good for hair shine and can thin the hair. Air dry and use a thick, wide comb when damp, rather than using a hot hairdryer comb. Using the hairdryer extension is okay if your hair has been moisturized properly for a while, though using hair oils afterwards is essential. Know how to care for a weave. Leave space between each weave, about as much space between each weave as you last kept it in. This will help prevent hair loss and a chipping hairline. It also stops thinning hair and some bold patches. However, remember, full hair loss is very rare with weaves. It only tends to happen to people with drier and shorter hair, or people with much shorter hairline hair than their central hair. Avoid damaging your hair. Strategies like hot combs can straighten your hair, but they also can damage it, especially if it's already dry. Second, skincare and makeup. Choose the right type of skincare products. Many Black people love cocoa butter. So long as you're not allergic to them, coconuts are not only great for black hair, but also black skin. They are full of nutrients, and cocoa butter even lightens, darkens your scars to make them less visible. Cocoa butter is very good for moisturizing skin, and it helps keep dry patches looking less dry. Also, the moisture can last even after a bath, though it's best to apply at least once a day, preferably in the morning. Other great moisturizers are shea butter and aloe butter. When choosing products, look for ones with few chemicals and not a lot of fragrance. Remember, the further down the ingredient list, the less it contains. Look for quality makeup if you decide to wear it. Look around a market or in areas where the majority of the area is black. Makeup designed for darker skin can often be found in areas where hair products for dark-skinned people can be found, so it shouldn't be too hard to find if you know where to look. Try darker, nude-colored lip liner and lipstick. For blush, if you are daring, try a dark purple. This doesn't look good on everyone, but if your skin is dark enough, you can pull it off. Go with dark mascara. Choose black mascara instead of brown black or blue. Since your skin is already dark, pure black will best highlight your eyes. Wearing lighter mascara can go wrong, and it's hard to remove. Do not ever buy foundation too light for your skin color. It's like when white people put on too much fake tan. You look orange and your eyes will just look dark, so you'd look like a panda. Third, navigating blackness. Find Black role models. They can offer inspiration, from cute looks to things you want to do with your life. Famous Black people who are good and stay true to themselves are good people to look up to. Black writers have many interesting things to say. Go to your local library to read books by Black authors. Don't hurt your hair or skin in the name of fashion. Your body's health is more important than its looks. Don't try experimental or cheap treatments. Hair dye can damage black hair, and most of the time won't make a difference or only dye thinner parts of the hair. Don't drastically change your looks based on what others want. Giving in to try to look white is one of the last things a black girl should even be thinking. Black is beautiful, and you are beautiful. Embrace this. Be yourself instead of worrying about avoiding or fitting racial stereotypes. Black girls are diverse. You shouldn't have to worry about whether you're ghetto or acting white. Act like yourself. While it's okay to explore your identity and try new things, do them because they interest you, not because of social pressure. Fourth, keeping a beautiful attitude. Show beauty through kindness and positivity. Choose to be caring, helpful, and thoughtful to help your inner beauty shine. Try to do or say at least one good thing for someone else every day. Try to lift other people up. Think about how you can make life better for other people. It can be as simple as a compliment or as involved as helping your dad with a big project at home. Try to be a good influence on the people around you. Embrace your curiosity. Teenage years are a great time to learn, ask questions, and experiment. Safely, of course. What do you want to learn about? What do you want to try? Find what makes you feel excited and energetic. That's beauty. Find healthy ways to deal with your feelings. You may find that your emotions have gotten stronger and more complicated as you're growing up, which is normal. Look for ways to acknowledge and process your feelings so they don't overwhelm you. Enjoy your teenage years. Don't forget to focus on the activities, people, and ideas that make you happy. Being a teenager comes with lots of challenges. Make time to rest, recharge, and just have fun. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Spend more time with people who help you feel good about yourself and your life. Limit your time with people who drag you down. Look for good influences in life. As you walk through life, remember that your beauty isn't confined to societal standards or fleeting trends. It's rooted in your essence, your confidence, and your spirit. Being a Black teenage girl is a powerful statement in itself, and your journey is one of strength, self-love, and growth. Celebrate your uniqueness, amplify your voice, and never dim your light for anyone. Always remember that you are beautiful, radiant, and worthy just as you are. The world is waiting to see all the magic you bring, so step out boldly and shine unapologetically. Keep being extraordinary, because you were born to stand out.